Hi, my name is Bill Miller, and I am with Flowmizer Inc. I am here to go over our Week 12 update of our progress on bringing Flowmizer to market. Here's our business model canvas and its update. This week we focused on marketing, assembly, quality control, financing, some of the key resources that we're going to need to be able to bring it to market, marketing, operations quality, and then the cost structure, the assembly of the product, how the labor and the distribution will come together. Some of the guiding research questions for this week are: what are the key costs required to develop and deliver our value propositions? What are our key financial metrics for our business model? What is the cash flow? Where is your cash flow break-even point? How much money do you need to raise? When and why? So how we went about doing this is in addition to the gurus that we've already interviewed, we added 3 new gurus this week: a manufacturing advisor, president of a digital advertising company, and a product development manager for a manufacturing management company, which is actually a new piece for us that we didn't expect to come across. And it actually led to what we believe could be a significant pivot for Flowmizer Inc. We assumed a few things. We assumed that we would be able to refine our product value proposition, that we believed, and we still do believe, that marketing is going to be the biggest driver of this product's success. We thought licensing would be better than producing the product ourselves, original equipment. We can produce a product and be in the price point demand of our consumers. We believe that. And then this financial model has some viability. That's what we assumed. And this is what we know now. We know that we're going to have to figure out a source of financing. We're going to need a manufacturing facility, and we're going to need somebody to help us market. We need marketing, financial warehousing. Since we are a small startup, we think the warehouse can be as simple as on site at one of the owner's properties. We will need some minor IP. It's not going to require a whole lot, maybe some QuickBooks. When we get paid and how do we pay others? As partners, we will take no salary. Like I said, we're a small startup. We will wait till the company starts to be viable before we start to take a profit. I will get to our cash flow and how much money we'll need to raise, when, and why in a second. The partnerships will take time to prove. Flowmizer will have to prove itself. Quality will shape the opportunities. Online is still under debate. At least that's the way it was towards the beginning of this week. There are avenues for companies and women, to find some financing in women or minority-owned markets. We can find some additional financing and some lower cost financing by utilizing these opportunities. Additive manufacturing can help us produce our product at a price point desired. This comes from the use of mold use in industrial plastics and casting with metals. This is our estimated cash flow analysis. So we believe that we will need about a $600,000 to $635,000 to get us through year one. You can see that that breaks down mainly in the molds and in the cost to manufacture the products. That includes shipping. We would pass on shipping costs to the purchaser from our warehouse to them. And we do believe that we start to have a positive cash flow around year 2. And by year 3, we have a break-even analysis. What we still need to do is we need to wrap up a really strong overall feasibility study. We need to consider a pivot from licensing this product and having somebody else distribute it to going directly to a managing manufacturing company like Enzing out of Shenzhen, China, who could produce the product for us at a reasonable cost. We could sell it directly via social media and internet, drive up the demand, and then we could become a wholesaler to big box stores. This is kind of a last minute. As we got in and started researching this, we came to this conclusion that that's a viable option to consider moving forward. Thank you.